My welcome. I disable OBS Studio because diagram what is in core control for graphic card usage is different when I turn on OBS Studio. On this graphic card, because this graphic card have few weeks, but I'm using it 20 hours maybe, and I first time seen on AMD graphic card diagram like this, because this is something normal on this graphic card, and this is just like this tips. This is all the time jumping. Here is profile window 3D after installing this software for glasses, and I don't know, because this profile is like this command what I have on startup parameters. Maybe I will try with 3D full screen now. This graphic card is overclocked and I get these values as the highest what other people get. Maybe I can set here higher values because I have a cooling system bigger than this standalone. But I have no time for it now, and later this computer is restarting when we try to find this peak of performance. I had here everywhere zeros. OBS Studio on graphic card. Here is 5.8. This program needs daemon, and this daemon is not working. Samsung, this is Samsung, so probably I can overclock my VRAM, but I'm sure that I can't overclock it to the highest, because first what I try on this graphic card to put this one row to the highest value, and now computer was restarted. So maybe later, but now I know that it's Samsung. What here is without daemon, because daemon in my system is not exist. Actually clock what is not. This is core and this is VRAM, one by one. Power limit, what I said in and here this is not refreshed. Fuck this program, because it's the same what core control, or maybe this one is better. Than core control, have better look. Automatic, and I can here do changes. Oh my god. First time I see this. Won't it have daemon? Maybe it can run on startup. And I have two graphic cards. This first is integrated from CPU to CPU, and I have connected a cable to glasses to this dedicated graphic card, because on display port on this here from CPU graphics, I had line on the cursor, and this is firmware bug from these glasses, but this is not exist if we connect it to a dedicated graphic card. I had this bug after firmware upgrade on integrated. This have diagram, this second have no diagram. I can this close. These two are the same. This is bright, this is dark. Memory clock, shader clock is higher than 100. I don't know what is this. NVIDIA graphic cards are overclocking for NVIDIA is on this here values, and I don't know how do it. Okay, so and this is what we want to look. Turn on screen. I don't test the last version. I do test what is visible on YouTube and on my TikTok. So I was doing cycles by head, and this screen very fast go back. Purity of these windows because now these windows are on all screens. What if I start head cycling? Radeon top probably is broken or have no data. On MetaQuest, immersed app. This is daemon for computer. This service for Linux system and app in Google's. So it was taking 10% on whole course without OBS Studio. Not with this set of apps, but without OBS Studio. It's more light, I think, or here is more this percent is taking one core, because this here, this is thread, not core. This is 6 core CPU, 12 threads. But on AMD I'm almost sure these threads, these are cores, we can turn off whole half of threads and have 6 cores, but it's without any sense. I don't care. This is 12 threads what are visible as cores in system later. Yesterday, second hour in night, I put out this last version of this code for this app, and I was doing cycles around around this picture control screen, and it was working very fine. Really, I was surprised that this test was end with so big success, because I want with small move of head now, for example, to fool this square, this head move, and it's not moving because this black area or the center is dynamic. Maybe it's not circle, and if we now it should not move because this is a big angle. Where is center? This program is all the time measuring it, and I don't know, moving head somewhere here, and this program is waiting 10 seconds for next center. 10 seconds like this, and now center maybe is not circle, I'm not sure, but then this center is moving. You know, where is center? This is really a slow process of measuring where is center. And last changes yesterday in night, it was for a rapidly move screen to center. If after a crazy shaking of head, this screen was moving a big distance. But I seen it in game, in, for example, Mafia, when I was looking everywhere, every time, fast, and now it isn't straight. Screen go to right. Maybe here is now needed gaming mode, and for work mode, because after crazy shaking in previous versions, this screen finally in work, just with shortcut with Google Chrome, this screen finally go to the center, but it was in next 2-3 minutes, and now I don't check it will back or not. It should, because there is no big changes, any big changes isn't. But now I don't shake like crazy head, and it isn't on center. first this measuring are going to trash, and later is measuring center. I don't know how many minutes this program is checking where center is. And in Crimson Desert, when I finish playing, again it go to my right side. And now this is centering of screen. Centering gesture, doing wheels around screen. I don't know which version is better, because after a few hours of playing game, we have this problem with not straight screen, so it should be better probably. Where is this gold center in this app? This is starting on right. So maybe as first Mafia. And after game quit I will look, because in game we are shaking this head, and in work we are shaking head. Maybe now it's this case of starting parameters change, or this first measuring do better. When I seen yesterday that it's working like this, I do crazy shaking and screen go back, so I thought that's perfect. It's nothing to change. In game, not visible. On this Windows, and I wrote about it to Gemini. In game it isn't visible, but in these games we have squares, and on squares this is visible, but this this is so small difference that we can correct it but by head move. You have to change angle of your head, this half degree or 1 degree. Breakers in these cars are very weak. And the old school driving. These cars are like these machines for work on villages. This game is just terrible for graphic cards. It's so fucking hard game for graphic card. You can set their low detail to get better performance, and you just cannot. So close. And after race is square. This is high, not white square. And then this is on center or not. With this program after this night class change. Is working better, so it should very fast go back to center after this head changing. Producer of this program is talking on YouTube that it's low performance software, but it isn't. Why? Maybe because he's using it on the Raspberry Pi and ERN, this low power CPU, and he is using this virtual camera. Virtual camera is using just codecs, and this what I seen on Output, and this what Gemini told me when I tried to run this software. So now I know that this V4L2 something software want this pure, not converted raw data, and because XDG is giving this just full format, the biggest possible data what it can take, so this software is taking, but without any conversion. You don't need strong CPU to do conversion, because this conversion is for CPU very high. I was doing in FFmpeg, and it's all the time this 20%, less than 20%, but diagram of CPU was totally like with inner sub for MetaQuest, but I had no screen. Security is just taking out this data, and I have all black screen, or this weird, this is deltoid, this weird triangles, weird colorful triangles, and I just uninstall virtual camera. Virtual camera never was working on my computer. I always had AMD full computer. My last NVIDIA graphic card, it was when I was going to school, and it was not high-end model, but the virtual video camera never was working. When I turn on camera in OBS Studio, I'm sorry, I can turn on this video camera using OBS Studio, and OBS Studio is opening XDG this dialog window, but then it is low performance now. So probably this virtual camera, this is reason why this software is low performance. There is needed only this XDG part. But I don't know how later it's looking on NVIDIA graphic cards. Maybe NVIDIA need to convert it to 264 codec, and all curators are busy. I don't believe. I have to recover a previous version of this file. And I try the mix of these two versions. I'm freak, and I know it's danger. Replace code in internet by code what I don't check, but